Welcome to this session, where we'll explore how to retrieve a set of properties from a JavaScript object based on given selectors. This is especially useful when working with deeply nested data structures. Let's dive in. The task is to retrieve a specific properties from a nested object based on dynamic selectors. This includes handling both dot and bracket notation, while allowing flexible data extraction. The function begins by normalizing selectors, converting bracket notation to dot notation. Then, it splits the selector string into parts and uses reduce to traverse the object, retrieving the desired property value. Here's how it works. The process begins by preparing the selector string and then iteratively navigating the object using reduce. This ensures that we can handle deeply nested properties efficiently. In this example, the function retrieves values from nested properties of the object. The selector, selected to val, points to a nested string. Target 0 retrieves an array element, and target 2, a, accesses a nested object property. This implementation leverages modern JavaScript features like arrow functions, the spread operator, and array methods, ensuring the code is both concise and powerful. This approach is highly versatile, making it ideal for tasks like dynamic data access in APIs, managing deeply nested configurations, and debugging by specific properties. In summary, this function is a powerful tool for dynamically retrieving properties from objects. Its flexibility and ease of use make it an essential utility for developers working with nested data structures. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.